Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Skunkworks coming at you again with another lockpicking video, and today I have the Magnum Superior. It's functionally identical to the Yale Superior, and overall I'd say it's a good quality lock. It's very dense. If you had one of these in your pocket, you could probably use it for self-defense. And if you search YouTube, you'll often find videos of people raking this lock open, so it's not a particularly difficult pick, but you don't see very many videos of people SPP'ing it, so that's what we're going to do here today. Okay, we got a pretty good false set going. Let's check and see if we have all the pins set. And that slider is definitely binding. Okay, so there's slider 2, I think. And slider 3, and we have it open. Okay, so I've already disassembled this lock to an extent to facilitate gutting it, so let's get right to it. I have never gutted one of these locks before, so this could be interesting. No, it's got a lot of pins in it. Let's try and get this puppy off. Actually, I'll go ahead and lock it back up since I have the key.
The ship will be shifting from ship power to shore power in 5 minutes. Do not start or stop any electronic or electrical equipment without first contacting EL and CCS.
Okay, there's the clip. Sorry about the noise, everybody. Alright, here's where it gets interesting. I'm not sure where these sliders are going to be coming out at. Well, I guess we're going to find out. That's not so bad. Okay. So we do have 7 pins, 4 sliders, and a sidebar. I'll go ahead and drop this sidebar now. Let's see, does that have any springs in it? Yes, it does. Okay. Let's go ahead and move over here. Okay, pin 1. Fancy. Pin 2, pin 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Oh, there goes our other sidebar spring. And then for sliders, here's slider 4. Is there a spring in there? Yeah, let's try not to lose those. So slider 4. Three. 2. And 1. Now up into the Bible. We have 1 drill resistant pin right at the front. And we have, what is this? Ooh, fancy. Okay, we have one double spool with very deep cuts in it. Standard in 2. Standard in 3. Standard in 4. Standard in 5. Nope. Standard in 6. And finally, looks like a sort of a gin bottle in 7. It's a very small spring. I wonder what that's for. I think that's probably a 0 lift pin right there, because I didn't feel pin number 7 lifting. Anyway, that's all I have for the Magnum Superior. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more lockpicking videos, please like and subscribe. Have a good one. Oh, before I forget, here's a close-up of all of our pins. Alright, thanks for watching.